Hey guys, HobbyBox604 back doing another $2 group break. This is number 162 on Wednesday, January 28th. We start with a box of 1213 Rookie Anthology, box number 996. 996. Good luck. We had a monster Jonathan Taze in this last week. So let's hope we get another one this time as well. Oh, we got a couple of thicker packs. And then our bonus. Good luck, guys. Pack 1. We start with a rookie for the Nashville Predators to 999, Chet Pickard. Or Chet Pickard. Pack 2. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, game 1 gear of Dana Terrell. Ooh, nice. We have a status. Ryan Hamilton, die cut rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, number 35 of 100. Ryan Hamilton. We have Lord of the NHL jersey card for the New Jersey Devils of Martin Brodeur. Second card of this guy that we pulled tonight. They were both in New Jersey. And he is decided to retire with the Blues. He's everywhere. Look. Very unfortunate. For the Montreal Canadiens, Contenders Legacy to 999 of Patrick Roy. Cup Contenders for the Minnesota Wild to 999 of Ryan Suter. All base pack. For the Anaheim Ducks, Heart Contenders to 999 of Corey Perry. And for the San Jose Sharks, Game 1 gear of Joe Thornton. Last 2 packs. This should be our rookie gear, I think. Could it be a silhouette? We'll see. We'll put that down there. For the Montreal Canadiens, Great Outdoors of Jose Theodore, number 452 of 500 for the Canadiens. And we have, we got another silhouette, 10 of 99 for the Ottawa Senators. Rookie silhouette, Mark Stone. 10 of 99. We have another silhouette for the Ottawa Senators, though. Nice. Then I guess this one is going to be our rookie gear. And it is, patch version. Too bad our patches are not wow. For the Anaheim Ducks, 63 of 99, Matt Clark. Rookie patch auto. And we still have our bonus. We have, for the Ottawa Senators, Jason Spezza, number 15 of 50, red prism. And for the Toronto Maple Leaf, a rookie prism of UC Renus. So there it was, boys and girls, and thanks for watching. We'll be back with more breaks shortly. Okay, not a bad box at all. We got the die cut, we got a silhouette, we got a patch rookie. So, not bad. I have a feeling titanium is going to be next, guys, because I had Lee and Tom picking 5 spots each. Yeah, I always put the teams on Facebook as well as on our website. So, there is a link there. So you want yours in titanium, Tabernacle? Okay. And Domi, you want 2 in titanium? Okay, let me update titanium. I think titanium is close to be full too, guys. So let me update titanium. I'll be right back. Titanium is 164. Okay. We get so far I have Viking Pat with 3, Shobo with 2, Keith with 2, Jason with 2. Then I got Domi with 2, Tabernacle with 1, and then I got Tom with 5. Lee with 5. Lee with 5. So 2, 4, 6 left in titanium, guys. Posty 33. Sure, you need 2 in titanium. And Jeremy, yeah, I have you as well. So Jeremy, and Posty, have you been with us before? Have you joined our breaks before? Are you on Facebook, or have you registered on our website before? All the Toonie breaks is Canadian, guys. All my breaks are Canadian dollar. Except I was gonna see if anyone wants to do a totally certified 1314. We can do $2 as well, but that will be US. So I'm gonna add from next week. If anyone wants 1314 Series 2 or 1314 totally certified, it will be $2 a spot, but that'll be US. Posty 33, perfect. If you can make sure you make your PayPal payment as gift, so send to friends and family, $4. And on the note on the bottom, put your username, put Posty 33 2 spots in titanium, and then put your address. Because if I don't have your address, there's no way I can send your cards, right? So please do that. Oh, Dundas will be filled too, guys. I mean, Brad, don't worry. Don't worry. I have someone that is already set that he'll take a few. Dundas, we should not have problem with that. Just click on Canadian dollar there. If not, just pay US, and I'll leave you 50-cent credit. Well, that's the box of it. Okay. Okay, let me check PayPal. If you guys please send your payments so I can update PayPal. 2 spots left in titanium, guys. Yes, it is. Yes. CAD is Canadian, yes. It's not Cambodian Sherpa. Just don't forget in the notes section on the bottom, put Posty 33, 2 spots, and your address. You'll take the last 2? The last 2, okay. Titanium is filled too, guys. So Pat takes the last 2. So send in your payments, please. I am going to update PayPal, and we'll get this one going. Key. Thank you, Posty. PayPal, PayPal, PayPal. Good old PayPal. Uh-oh. LA scores. Hey, how are you?
Hi, Kevin. How are you?
Good, thank you.
You got a great big TV here for a little place.
Thank you. Yeah, just give me a couple minutes, guys. I'm updating PayPal. Make sure the payments are in. It says service unavailable right now on PayPal. I don't know why, but okay. PayPal, don't do this to us. Oh, okay, came back up. Okay, got Pat's. Thank you, Pat. Posty, that's Mike Post. Is that correct? I don't remember the name, so Posty 33 is Mike Post. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your payment. Domi got yours. Yeah, you finally sent the gift. Thanks, Domi. Jeremy got yours. Posty got yours. It's I just put it up there, doctor.
I can wait for
Right.
you.
Oh, I'm gonna be all night.
All night?
Yeah, we're doing the breaks, so.
Okay, so I'll see you Monday then.
Monday I'll be there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one or both or?
Ah, grab him. I don't even know who the other one is. Okay. I'll see you on Monday.
Okay.
Okay.
Take care.
Yeah, sorry. Just on Wednesdays we go. Wednesdays and Sundays we go on camera and then we open boxes. I'm on it right
That's
now.
all right.
That's why I said
Yeah,
I'm gonna be
straight.
here late, right?
Thank you.
That's why, no problem. You know, you could take advantage of those way more than what we can over here. So, but I
We'll
can
be putting it in the office and showing them off.
on that. Okay, awesome. That's great.
See you later.
I'll see you on Monday. Thank you. Have a good night. See ya. Bye bye. That was my dentist. I have to see him on Monday, and I'm scared, shaking like a kid. Hey guys, people are messaging me saying that Breakers is down. You guys can still see or hear me, right?
Simply type in the name and let Ancestry guide you on a journey through your family history. Ancestry.ca.
Yeah.
What will you discover? Sometimes caring
People are messaging me saying that it's giving them error.
When our patient Susan
I'm like, no, we're on.
Pearl Vision to get his eyes checked, we went to him. And we realized if he had trouble getting new glasses, he probably wasn't the only one. To us, eye care is about living Dr. Pearl's legacy, building a trusting relationship with the person behind the eyes. This is genuine.
Weird. Okay. So we got the payment from Pat. We got payment from Domi. Thank you, Domi. Tell me be coming in later. Jeremy got yours. Thank you very much. Posty got yours. Thank you very much.
That's why we've answered thousands of them so far.
And that. Perfect. Copy.
We use just 6 cuts of beef in our mortar patties.
Paste.
Is beef and some salt and put them to grill. Get the answers to your questions at north.ca.
Action from in between the player benches. Been on the CME Group Seats. Use the online CME Group Seats option. For more information, visit ChicagoBlackhawks.com. And the last screen saved by Corey Crawford. Watch the area pass by Nolan right here.
Look at Jax.
You pass it to an area. Trevor Lewis skates in it, uses his body to shield the defender. Corey Crawford shutting that 5 goal.
Okay. That's good. Yeah.
Corey Crawford coming off his first NHL All-Star appearance.
Okay, so titanium is group break number 164, and we are good to go on that one, guys. Ready? Give me a thumbs up. We'll go. Give me a couple of thumbs up, and we will go.
Might have just stepped on the blade of his stick, went down as he tried to cut. The Blackhawks will get on the power play. Watch that. The puck turns. Actually, that stick was wedged between the legs. Kind of a can opener there
Oh man, I wanted you to be here when we do Donruss. Okay, buddy. I know you got a pregnant wife. Go take care of her. Good night, buddy. Thanks for your help. And hopefully I'll get you a monster in Donruss. Good night. Okay, here we go with 164. Good luck, everyone.